Hi guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing well. So for today's video, I'm gonna follow Gitanjali's makeup tutorial. So I'm so excited for this video, and I have shared a poll video on Instagram. And should I do or follow her glam or simple makeup tutorial? And most of you guys have said simple 57% and glam 43%. So I really wanted to do glam, but we're going to do simple with glam. I hope most of you guys know her, but in case if you guys don't know, then I'm gonna put her link description box below. You can go and check her out. I'm so excited for this video, and you guys also excited, then keep on watching. Before jumping to the video, just make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell as well. So let's see which video I'm gonna do. I'm gonna select simple with glam. Okay, so I'm gonna do her this last minute fresher or farewell makeup look. So let's do this one. Let's watch the video. I'm gonna put the video here. You can watch.
For you guys specifically to do like freshers party or some girls night out or day out or just clubbing or anything like that, just simple makeup. This is the video for you. I tried my best not to use expensive product because you guys wanted me to make this look affordable, so I tried my best to include drugstore products.
Okay, yeah. And let's just skip the talk and do the tutorial. Okay, I'm gonna cut the video. Okay.
So yeah, let's get started with the video. So starting with a nicely cleansed and moisturized skin.
Yeah, I have also moisturized my face and apply sunscreen, everything. So yeah.
If your skin looks dull, you can always use sheet mask.
Yeah guys, sheet mask.
I really love this. I always like to start from my brows.
Same here, same here, girl.
To do that, I am gonna use Eyebrow brow pencil.
Okay guys, I don't have this Eyebrow Pro brow pencil. I have this Wet n Wild brow pencil, so I'm gonna use this one. This one is also affordable, drugstore brand, so it doesn't matter. Okay, let's see.
This is in the shade, I don't know, brunette.
I also don't know.
Just going to fill in the gaps and try to make this even as much as possible. I wish you to do like Instagram brows, bold Instagram brows in your first day of college. Just try to fill in those gaps and make it look even.
Let's see what's next.
To clean up the edges, I am going to take some concealer.
Okay, let's clean up the edges. I think she is using this Eyebrow Pro concealer. I'm also using this one.
I don't know what kind of look I'm going to do today. I just miss playing with makeup so much because my skin is also behaving a little crazy right now. I'm getting all those tiny little bumps.
Oh my god, this two skins are
dry. I don't have any like affordable eyeshadow palettes, a good affordable eyeshadow palette, so I'm just going to use this one from Morphe, Jaclyn.
Okay, I do have the same palette, so I'm also gonna use this Jaclyn Hill Morphe eyeshadow palette.
Then setting this with some powder.
Okay.
Any powder will do. This color right here.
Which one, girl? I can't see clearly. This is like एकदम छिटो गरिरहेछ के यो देखाउने चाहिँ, so let me just see once again.
I'm going to take this.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to apply this all over my lids. especially for for freshers party or like farewell party, I would do something sexy and sultry but simple at the same time.
Okay.
So I am going to take a flat brush like this. I'm going to take this dark brown eyeshadow.
Okay.
I'm going to apply this close to my lashes, like you apply your eyeliner. I'm just going to apply this right here and also to the
Okay.
taking this small pencil brush.
Okay. Brush.
I'm going to smudge this line. I'm going to mix these two.
This two. Okay, maybe. This two. Okay.
And going on top of that line, I'm just going to blend or just going to smoke that line out. This way your lashes will look fuller and your eyes will look simple but smoky at the same time. So just going to nicely blend this line. Same thing to the other eye as well.
I already did the other eye.
I'm going to take this gold eyeshadow. To the center part of my eyes.
Center.
Just to make that
Center, okay.
Just to make that pop out a little bit more. That's it. And just blending this out a little bit. Going back with that same dark brown eyeshadow. Just going to even this out.
Okay.
Face. I'm going to use this Maybelline New York Master Primer. This is hydrating and smoothing primer.
For the primer, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. So this one.
Taking a little bit, I am just going to apply this. This is really moisturizing. Can you see that glow? I really like this primer. So whenever I go out and I want to look naturally glowy, you know what I mean?
I have oily skin. I don't have to do anything. I'm gonna glow like, you know, in like every time, you know, oily skin boy, which is the problem. Jenny, you don't have to use like dewy or whatever. You don't have to do dewy makeup. After dewy huncha ke. So
I always like to use liquid illuminators. I really love this MAC stroke cream.
I think I don't need to use this one, and I don't have this one as well. मेरो चाहिँ acne prone र oily skin छ. Then like हल्का dewy type को नै देखिन्छ. So I'm not gonna use. I'm gonna skip this part.
For the foundation, I'm going to mix this Eyebrow Pro Coverage foundation with this Eyebrow Pro BB cream, because this one is a little bit light for my skin and this one is a little bit dark.
For the foundation, I'm gonna use this Eyebrow Pro Matte Foundation. Okay.
As always, Eyebrow Pro Concealer.
I also have Eyebrow Pro Concealer. Not nose. Okay, fine.
For my concealer creases, I'm going to use some Airspun powder.
I'm also gonna use this Airspun loose powder
to set
god.
This gets so messy.
Seriously, yeah.
Taking that same dark brown eyeshadow
Okay.
on that same flat definer brush, going to apply it right underneath the lower lashes. Just going to run this brush right underneath that line. That gold eyeshadow right on the center. I really like this lashes. I always get this one from OMG Nepal. I already mentioned about these lashes before. This is the dedication is real. So I bought a lot. I'll put their link in the description box. And my another favorite lashes that I recently discovered is this. This is also that regular lashes I bought from Rebel Beauty. I'll also put their link
I
in
also
the
have the
description
Rebel
box.
Beauty one.
You guys can go and check them out. If I don't like to wear false lashes, I always use these two mascaras. Both are from Benefit. This one is a bad girl mascara and this one is roller mascara.
Oh, मैले चाहिँ यति हेरिसकेपछि ल्यासेस चाहिँ फल्सेस नै लगाउने होला भन्ने ठानेको त सिको लाइनर के अरे मस्कारामा पो गयो त ल. Okay, for the mascara I'm gonna use this what? I'm gonna go with this Raw Culture from Catrick Cosmetic and this Lash Sensational from Maybelline. Okay.
If you don't like to wear false lashes, always coat your lashes really nicely with some mascara. Mascara is like my favorite thing about makeup. If you
I don't have this Illegal Pro one. I have this Anastasia. So this is so hard. I'm just gonna take with this brush and
blush. This one is from Milani. This is a really good blush, like really natural kind of blush. Recently I've been loving this Benefit lip tint as my blush. It just makes your face look you're naturally blushing, you know, so I just love this one. So I'm just going to...
I thought C is gonna use this Milani one again, you know, confused by again. Okay, I also have this Benefit ko Pose Tint. The red ma chai chaina mero halka pinkies ma cha, so let's do this one.
So I'm just going to dab this onto the apples of my cheeks, taking my beauty blender, or you can use your finger as well. Just going to dab it right here. Set my contour. I'm going to use this NYX No Filter Finishing Powder. This is in the shade Golden. You can use this.
Okay, I'm gonna use this butter bronzer to set my cream contour, and I don't have this next one, so I just love this one. It just smells so good.
For the highlighting part, I'm going to use this one. Elegant Strobe Light Highlighter.
Okay. For the highlighter, I'm going to use this Maybelline New York Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold.
For lips, I am going to use the Balm Cosmetic Liquid Lipstick in the shade Committed.
We don't have this one. Let's see which color match huncha yosita, because I don't have this one. I think this color match huncha hola. This 2000 Kisses Wonderful Lipstick 39 Passion Warm Passion bhanera. Yo lipstick चाहिँ धेरै भिडियोमा देख्नु भएको छ है, because this is my favorite one पनि, plus हुन्छ नि यो मेरो जस्तो स्किन टोन भएकोलाई एकदम राम्रो देखिन्छ के यो. अनि आज चाहिँ यो म्याच हुने भएर मात्र निकालेको मैले अदरवाइज मैले यो लिपस्टिक डेली नै युज गरेर हुन्छु ओके आई लाइक दिस
I always like to take tissue paper. It's going to take that extra.
Let's see, I'm been going
to avoid that chalky and cracky lips. This is the final look, you guys. I really like the way this.
खै सेटिङ स्प्रे चाहिँ सेट गर्न बिर्से जस्तो लाग्यो मेरो चाहिँ सेटिङ स्प्रे युज गर्नै पर्छ बिकज मेरो त मेकअप अहिले बग्न थाल्छ सो आइम गोना युज दिस निक्स फिनी म्याट सेटिङ स्प्रे अफकोर्स यु निड अझ स्पेसली इन समर त सेटिङ स्प्रे नभई हुँदैन ओ माई गड आइम गोना युज सेटिङ स्प्रे ओके द मेकअप इज डन सो आइम गोना एड दिस कानामा लगाएको चाहिँ होइन मसँग पनि छ सो वाइ नट लेट्स एड होइन and I'm gonna back and I'm gonna show you the makeup. Yeah guys, that's the final look. I just add this because maसँग पनि थियो so why not? I like the eye makeup because अरु त normally सबै उस्तै नै हुन्छ हैन the difference भनेको eye makeup मा हुन्छ नि त सबैको हैन we have the different features and everything just the color tone different भइसकेपछि यी सेट पनि color tone different but it's different देखिन्छ so what do you think I did good bad or gorgeous or whatever you think just let me know in the comment section below okay and so what do you think about this look guys this is what I came with following step by step Gitanjali and I like this makeup look. If you like this video, yeah, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and if you love this video then subscribe to my channel and join my small family. So if you like to watch me doing this kind of video, let me know in the comment section below what's next you want me to follow. I'm gonna do the video. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I do and once again thank you so much for watching. Stay beautiful, stay positive and stay happy guys. I love you. Bye bye.